Hey guys! The very long awaited PS5 is finally here. Actually in India it was launched on 2nd Feb with limited stocks, but luckily I've managed to get one from Amazon. So yeah, thanks to Amazon. Let's jump into unboxing. Oh, it's heavy. There's another box inside. Here we have power cable, two manuals, I don't know what this is for, I'll check that later. And HDMI 2.1. Here's the controller. We'll check that later. Is there anything else? Oh, there's something inside. The USB Type-C cable. There's nothing inside this box. So this is the moment we've been waiting for, the PS5 itself. Now I have to clean the stuffs. Huge. Wow. Looks gorgeous. Oh, actually this one looks bigger than my PS4. So guys, this is the DualSense controller for PS5. It looks good, feels comfortable in hand, and it's bigger than the PS4 controller. This is the stand for PS5, where you can keep the PlayStation horizontally or vertically of your choice. So that was the unboxing of PlayStation 5. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.